Now, Donald Trump may name a new Federal Reserve chair before Jerome Powell's term ends in 2026, raising concerns about the Fed's independence. The dollar dropped to a 3.5-year low. Powell says inflation control remains the priority, despite Trump's pressure for faster rate cuts. Take a look at this next report.
Donald Trump's difficult relationship with Federal Reserve Chief Jerome Powell is ruffling markets once again. The Wall Street Journal says the president has considered naming the next boss of the central bank before Powell's term ends in 2026, potentially creating what analysts have called a shadow Fed. The dollar sank to new 3.5-year lows versus the euro in Asian morning trade Thursday following the news. One market watcher told Reuters that any such move by Trump would raise questions about the Fed's independence and potentially undermine its credibility. The report follows renewed tensions this week. Trump on Wednesday called Powell terrible for not cutting interest rates more quickly. Meanwhile, the Fed chair appeared before a Senate panel and gave no sign he was in a hurry to make more cuts.
We're committed to returning inflation sustainably to 2% and keeping it there in the long run. And what we're doing now is we had cut rates by 100 basis points, so they've come down quite a bit. And, when the time is right, I expect that will continue.
On a second day of testimony Wednesday, Powell said Trump's tariffs could spur inflation, potentially complicating a decision on rates. That issue is now likely to come back into focus as the clock ticks down to the White House's July 9th deadline for trade deals. As for possible successors to Powell, Trump says he's narrowed it down to 3 or 4 names. The leading contenders are reportedly former Fed Governor Kevin Warsh, National Economic Council head Kevin Hassett, current Fed Governor Christopher Waller, and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent.